So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Visa gift card on DoorDash. So all you have to do is just search for DoorDash and go home. And you could also sign in and make sure to navigate where you are. So once you are in here, as you can see, I just have to add carts. So I just have to buy something. So as you can see, I just have to buy something, and let's add this to the cart. And as you can see, I just have to fill up and add to cart. Once that's done, go to cart or continue. You just have to continue. And as you can see, this is where you are going to add or use the gift card on DoorDash. As you can see, this is the payment details. Once you are done with this, in here, sign in or sign up to place order. I I didn't need to sign up because I'm not in the desired location, so I just have to leave it here. So once you are doing this and filled up and shipping details, the payment details, this is where you use your Visa gift card on DoorDash. Once you are filling that up, you could place order, and there you could use the Visa gift card, and that's it.